Today we will start a new chapter, the Vijaynagar and Bahmani Kingdoms. So the causes of the distinction of the Tughlaq Empire. The Tughlaqs ruled till 1414 AD, but the process of the distinction of this empire has started in the last days of Muhammad Tughlaq's rule. There were many causes for this. So the Vijaynagar and the Bahmani Kingdoms is established in between the Tughlaq Empire. Okay. So the Tughlaqs ruled till the 1414 AD. Okay. Now the causes of the distinction of the Tughlaq Empire. Today we will learn. See, there are some points which you have to remember. First is responsibility of Muhammad Tughlaq. We already know that the Muhammad Tughlaq's ideas and thoughts is totally different and totally immature. For that only the Tughlaq Empire went down and down. So the responsibility of Muhammad Tughlaq. Now we will learn. See, Muhammad Tughlaq was largely responsible for the downfall of his empire. He is responsible for the downfall of his empire. His policies annoyed and alienated people. So his policies annoyed the people and alienated people. His projects inflicted a heavy blow on the economy of the empire. On the economy of the empire, his projects inflicted a heavy blow. Means the economy was going very down. Now, C. His character and policies were greatly responsible for the shrinkage of his empire. His character was different and was not good at all. Means the character and also the policies. His policies was not good. For that only the downfall of the empire was coming. And already happened this one. Were greatly responsible for the shrinkage of his empire. There was great dissatisfaction and discontentment in the provincial governors against his policy. The governors of the Tughlaq dynasty didn't like the character and the policies of the Muhammad Tughlaq. Okay, there was a great dissatisfaction and discontentment. They started thinking of rebellion and independence. They started to independ themselves and take a revenge and take also the rebellion. Responsibility of Firoz Tughlaq. Then after the Muhammad Tughlaq, the Firoz Tughlaq came, and the Firoz Tughlaq had the more responsibility because as the empire got down and down, so he had to increase the empire. So the responsibility of Firoz Tughlaq was more and more. Firoz Tughlaq could not heal the wounds inflicted by his predecessor. The wounds of his predecessor means the before one, that the Muhammad Tughlaq, he didn't heal the wounds, cannot able to heal the wounds. His policy of leniency, religious intolerance, revival of feudalism, etc., undetermined the royal authority and weakened the administration. So his policy of leniency, religious, he was a very religious person, and revival of feudalism, and also the revival of feudalism undermined the royal authority and weakened the administration. Only the 2 points are completed. Next video I will discuss more and more.